A wildfire has emerged in the Lunglei district of Mizoram and is spreading to nearby areas of Lunglei town. Firefighting personnel are trying to control the wildfire. While trying to extinguish the fire, several firefighters have sustained injuries. A petrol pump was about to come under the hold of the wildfire on Sunday morning. The locals have forwarded a helping hand to the firefighting personnel and other government authorities to control the situation. To assist the Lunglei district administration, Air Force has also been called to douse the fire. To help the locals, two parties have been sent under Assistant Commandant Narayan Sangrola alongside firefighters and medics under RMO Captain VK Dabas. The fire trucks were compelled to carry water from nearby sources due to the scarcity of water. The residents from several neighboring villages have however come forward to assist the firefighters to douse the fire. Zobak locality volunteers helped in refilling the water tanks from local ponds with over 30,000 liters of water. Chief Minister Zoramthanga requested the Indian Air Force and the locals for helping in dousing the fire in the Lunglei district and adjoining areas. The Indian Air Force deployed two Mi-17 V5 helicopters equipped with specialized Bambi buckets. The fire started to blaze from 7 a.m. in the forested hills near Lunglei on Saturday. The fire spread to Lunglei towards the residential area of Zotlang by Sunday, and by Sunday afternoon, the fire headed towards the forest of Chanmari and the nearby valley. As informed by the Deputy Commissioner of Lunglei District, high winds and dry vegetation have fueled the spread, hence making it more difficult to douse the fire. Families residing near the areas had to leave their homes. Many wild animals have also died in the fire. The wildfire has affected the Bazarveng, Serkau, Zotlang, Chanmari, and Ramthar. Additional DC of Lunglei, Pu M. Michel, said that the authorities are working in finding out the reason of the fire. The Assam Rifles have also come forward to help the firefighters and rescue teams. In addition to local volunteers, firefighters and disaster management team, the Assam Rifles along with the Border Security Force are working hard to douse the fire. PM Modi had a conversation with Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga and assured all possible support from the center in overcoming the crisis.